Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic ships ever built, the RMS Titanic. Known as the unsinkable ship, the Titanic was a masterpiece of its time, but its design flaws ultimately led to one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. Let's explore the construction and design of this engineering marvel and how it was both groundbreaking and tragically flawed. The Titanic was constructed between 1909 and 1912 by Harland Wolff, a shipbuilding company based in Belfast, Northern Ireland. At 882 feet long, 92 feet wide, and weighing over 46,000 tons, the Titanic was designed to be the largest and most luxurious passenger liner of its time. From its lavish first-class suites to its grand staircase, the Titanic was a floating palace. No expense was spared: rich wood paneling, crystal chandeliers, and fine dining. It even had a swimming pool, Turkish baths, and a gymnasium. The ship was a symbol of luxury and technological advancement, meant to cater to the wealthiest passengers. But it wasn't just its beauty and size that made the Titanic so famous. It was also the cutting-edge engineering beneath the surface. The ship was divided into 16 watertight compartments designed to keep it afloat, even if 4 of them were breached. This is where the unsinkable claim came from. In theory, the Titanic could stay afloat with any 4 compartments flooded. But there was one fatal flaw. The bulkheads separating these compartments didn't extend high enough. Once water spilled over the top, it could easily flood multiple compartments. As we know, on April 14, 1912, the Titanic struck an iceberg. The impact breached 6 compartments, not 4, more than the ship was designed to handle. The water began to pour in, and because the bulkheads didn't reach high enough, it caused a domino effect, flooding compartment after compartment. Within just a few hours, the unsinkable ship was sinking, but the design flaws didn't end there. The Titanic only had 20 lifeboats, enough for about 1,178 people, just over half the passengers on board. Why? Because the ship's designers believed lifeboats were primarily for ferrying passengers to rescue ships, not for evacuating everyone. More lifeboats would have cluttered the deck, they thought. This oversight contributed to the immense loss of life, over 1,500 souls. The sinking of the Titanic led to changes in maritime safety regulations, including enough lifeboats for all passengers' regular lifeboat drills, and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol. It was a tragedy, but one that reshaped the future of ship design. Thank you for joining us today as we took a closer look at the Titanic's construction and design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into history. Have any questions or topics you'd like to see next? Drop them in the comments below.